Hey, I am out walking after having my tea and going to the gym, getting my cardio on, walking down one of my favorite streets in DC. I love my neighborhood, y'all. I love my neighborhood. It gives me so much joy. I was thinking as I've been walking about the full moon that happens on April 16th. And my prayer is that we all tap into the energy of the full moon, which is about releasing and forgiving. So just take a moment to slow down and reflect on what is it that you need to release and forgive about yourself? What is it that you need to release and forgive about others? And then set an intention for releasing and forgiving, because you may not be able to actually do it. You may need to work through anything that is getting in your way. You may want to explore what's getting in my way of releasing and forgiving myself and others. And then after you set the intention, your release and forgiveness intention, think about 1 to 3 steps that you can take to begin that process. Maybe it's a daily prayer. One of the things that I do is I say, I forgive myself for anything that I have believed, felt, thought, said, or done that has hurt me, myself and I, and others. I do the me, myself, and I, and others because I'm hardest on myself. And when I repeat that daily, it gives me space to have kindness, compassion, patience, and non-judgment in this process. Because sometimes you're not able to even say, I forgive myself. You may have to say, I'm willing to forgive. Or you may have to add another willing. I am willing to forgive. Or maybe you have to add 2 willings. I'm willing to be willing to forgive myself. And then repeating that same process with the forgiveness that you need to do for others. I hope that helps. May you open your heart to whatever the full moon in Libra has for you. May you be kind and gentle with yourself and know that the full moon and the new moon, all of the moon cycles, are opportunities for us to take better care of ourselves. I love the power of the moon and how it reminds us of our birthright to love ourselves, to take care of ourselves, and to be mindful and aware of how we're showing up in our world. So have a beautiful, beautiful day, a wonderful weekend. If you celebrate Easter, happy Easter. Today is Good Friday. Enjoy it. May you, as I always like to say, continue to embrace thriving mindfully in everything that you think, feel, say, and do. Have a great one, y'all. Bye.